Now I'm going to teach you the concept of variable, concept, and construct. When we doing a research, we need to understand what is the concept, the variable, and construct. So when we do research, we will encounter three kind of thing, which is concept, variable, and construct. So what is a concept? So concept is basically just an abstraction that allow us to classify natural phenomena and empirical observation. For example, from birth, we begin to structure empirical impression of the world around us in the form of concepts such as mother, father, play, or food, each of which implies a complex set of recognition and expectation. We develop this concept within the context of experience and feeling, so that they mate with our perception of reality. We supply labels to set of behaviors, objects, or processes that allow us to identify them and discuss them. Okay, now I'm going to explain a bit about variable. So when concept can be assigned some values, they can be manipulated, and now it's going to be a variable so that their relationship can be examined. In this context, variable become the concept used for building theories and planning research. A variable must be operationally defined, that is, the methods for measuring or evaluating them must be clearly delineated. Some concepts, however, are easily observable and can distinguishable from others. For instance, a wheelchair will not be confused with an office chair, but other concepts are less tangible and can be defined only by inference. Concepts that represent non-observable behaviors or events are called constructs. Constructs are invented names for abstraction that cannot be seen directly but are inferred by measuring relevant or correlated behaviors that are observable. For example, the construct of intelligence is one that we cannot see, and also the pain, and yet we give it a very clear meaning. For example, here we evaluate a person's intelligence by observing his behavior, the thing he says, what he knows, and what he can do. We can also measure a person's intelligence using standardized tests and use a number to signify intelligence. Usually, an IQ score of 125 tells us something about the individual, but the number by itself has no empirical value. We cannot observe 125 intelligence points like we can 125 degrees of shoulder joint motion. Therefore, constructs are often manipulated as variable in psychosocial and behavioral research. Okay, after this, we're going to learn the variable in terms of 4 levels of measurement. Thank you. See you after this.